Parts of a violin. True or false? We will name a part on the violin and give you a few seconds to decide if it is true or false. Ready? Let's go. This is the scroll. This is true. This is called the bridge. This is false. This is a sound hole, also referred to as an F-hole. This is called the bridge. This is true. This is the nut. This is true. This is called the tailpiece. This is false. We call this the neck. We call this the chin rest. This is true. That is a pickguard. This is false. This is called the tailpiece. Looking to start a band? Check out our brand new video to your left. Now you can get that band started, just like you have always dreamed of. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.